So guys, the season can definitely begin. My last big order has arrived and there were a ton of things in it. We'll take a look at this part right after. But let's start here with the big package. And to keep it from being too loud, guys, I'll unpack everything first and then it will continue for you. And also a quick update while I unpack here about the polishing machine set. It is sold out at the moment because you were just too wild. There are 9. And now everything should be out. So let's take a look at the polishing machine set, microfiber cloths, clay, polishes, and pads. I don't want to introduce the set to you again. Had mentioned that I also brought the set home for the workshops that will follow in the future. Of course, I also want to show the machine, and people can test it out and gain a bit of experience with it. So, the polishing machine set also includes the high and spray wax. If you still want it, please sign up for the email notifications below, because at the moment I am filming this video, it is currently sold out. But it should be back online in the coming days. But it's always a bit like, how many sets planned? How many sets are sold? It's usually more, but better this way than the other way around. So don't be sad, it will be back soon, and enter your order for this set in the giveaway. Cloth polish is here, this is the ADBL Slippy, then tape included, and the pads in black finish, blue medium, and green in cut variant. And of course, all of this is also available in the Swisser Thermo version. The support plate included is great. I checked what a support plate costs separately. It's usually around 10 to 12 euros, but it's included here. That was part of the order. I'll move the polishing machine over. Because over here there's a tower of boxes, and these are the boxes that we can see here. I'll unpack them right after this. I'm getting them ready so we don't forget. I'm going to clear a bit of space first. So you can see there was definitely a lot included here. We know the V-pads from the scrub pad, so we don't need to go through that in this video. But now, here comes the new one. Maybe you saw the live stream from the Waschguru team. I also got the items right away because I want to see it live for myself. I want to take another look at it with you together. And here is now an additional color for the chenille wash glove. A really nice red. Check if the red looks the same for you, since it's always camera recording and live, to see if it leans a bit in that direction. For you, it looks slightly orange, just very, very slightly. We can hold it next to the cloth again. But it's a really nice, strong red. So it fits perfectly with the color chain now. Also with a black band and everything that comes with it. The next request is already coming in, folks. So you see, there's really a lot to do now. The season is starting. You'll notice that too. You're currently bombarding me with requests. It's really no problem at all. But if I don't get back to you in the next 3 to 4 hours, it's simply because there are a lot of requests. So please don't be mad at me. But I always try to respond to you as quickly as possible. And now it comes. So the green is already shining at me. Let's start with red. Also a really nice color. There have also been inquiries about whether a pink cloth will be available. And I believe that question came not only to me, but also in the stream. And Joseph has already answered that. There are always 1, 2, or 3 who say, oh, pink cloth, pink cloth. The problem is that when you look at how many cloths are sold, pink is a color that just doesn't sell well in the long run. It's simply because most male buyers, and we can talk about this openly and clearly, just don't really go for these pink colors. That's why I assume that the cloth won't come in 1,000 variations in pink. This is now the current updated version. It has 1400 GSM, 80 by 50 in a beautiful red. I'll check the processing. That's also very important. Neatly stitched at the corners. Even with such a cloth, a fiber can always hang out somewhere, folks. This is microfiber, but with this cloth here, everything is top-notch. So there's nothing wrong with it. Very nice. Also very nice are these twisted fiber bundles here. Very cool design. So I have the red one. It looks a bit orange on my camera, but it's a nice vibrant red. So the cloth is very stylish. Very cool. Now let's take a look at the blue one. So today is a little unboxing video. I hope it doesn't rustle too much. Also a really nice blue. It has a shimmer in the light, as you can see here, which gives it a slight, depending on the light incidence, a hint of light blue. So, a slight color effect change. Beautiful, vibrant blue. I really like it. Guys, please do not wash these cloths together with white cloths. Makes sense, right? It's like with regular clothing. Especially when the cloths are new. Here, of course, the fibers are dyed. There can still be a bit of residual color, unless you say, I want my white cloths. I don't have any over there now. I want them all to be pink. Then you put the cloth in the washing machine. The first time perfect, you have them all pink. Just like here, they are all light blue. So be a little careful. You can wash the items together. They won't affect each other. But please, do not add any white fibers to the colored wash. It's just like regular washing. So also the cloth here at all corners and edges, 1400 GSM. Update fiber, so to speak. Really, really good. U-sand. Oh yes, one must say very clearly. The microfiber products are really absolutely top-notch. And now, squint your eyes a bit, put on some protective goggles. 1400 GSM, 80 by 50 in an ultra green. It really stands out much more live than on camera. A really, really nice green. It also looks a bit light green to you. Everything has a slightly lighter tone. Light blue, light red, almost orange. Oh, but live folks, these are ultra intense colors. That's really, really strong. So you can take a look at them live. If we have a meeting, I'll bring them all along. Very, very nice. Also here. So you have to... Yes, you can't say anything? That's really, really well done. Very, very stylish. The color is extremely striking, I have to say. So anyone who has switched all their equipment to green or red or blue, I believe these are the absolute standout colors now. Next to this anthracite, which you already know. And a new thing, I want to take a look at it with you as well. Don't know if you are motorcycle riders or into quad motocross. What else is there? Kart drivers. Everything that has to do with helmets, I've gotten a total of 4 times, but I'm only unpacking one now. And these are the new helmet holders. Only those of you who have motorcycle helmets or whatever will understand this. I wanted to take a look at this together with you. Yes, so here is one still inside. Down here I have 2. 1,000 motorcycle riders, mainly in the rural area where we now live, rather out and about with the quad, also because of off-road and so on. But, of course, also motorcycle riders deep in their hearts, and maybe it will be a 2-wheeler again someday. But for us in the region, folks, a little small talk here in South Brandenburg, it just isn't worth it for me personally to ride a motorcycle. You don't have nice, beautiful curves, no inclines. It's also flat and straight. So that's why I moved away from the motorcycle and am now more into off-road. Here is a helmet holder. Right, really cool. I wanted to take a look at the craftsmanship. I haven't had it in my hands before. A very, very well-crafted metal part. Here are the 4 mounts, with dowels and screws to attach to the wall. Here you can also hang your motorcycle jacket. I will also make an update video later, once I have everything mounted, to show you how well it works. And here the helmet is simply hung up. You can lower the visor. That's the easiest way. And then it rests here. So the motorcycle helmets are nicely on the wall, not lying around somewhere on a shelf. You don't place them on the motorcycle, but have them nicely on the wall. Just a really nice motorcycle helmet holder, and I also find it very, very cool that you can hang your suit or your jacket or whatever else on here. Very, very well done, right? Write to me. Have you also brought this piece home? Are your mounts already hanging on the wall with the motorcycle helmet on top? I will definitely provide an update once everything is mounted and all the helmets are on, including the child's, and then we'll get started. So, number here today for the unboxing and assembly and so on. We'll take a look at that in the next video. Very, very cool. It was a really, really big order. Machine or machine set. Everything that goes with it. All the accessories cloth. The 3 new colors here with 1400 GSM and the pads are included. And for those looking for a 3-piece set, it is now available. And it was not yet available. Go for it, guys. I hope you enjoy these little unboxings. So, feel free to let me know in the comments and tell Sebastian, never unpack. Enjoy it for yourself, but I actually think it's pretty cool, and I just enjoy sharing the joy with you. It's always fun to unpack something. Hope it is for you too. If that's the case, feel free to write it to me in the comments below. I will now get started and mount the holder, and there will definitely be an update on that in the near future. And of course, use all the new things for you as well. Very, very cool. The colors of the cloths here are really striking. The camera can't capture it. I have to turn up the contrast so that it is at least somewhat close to how it is live. The green really pops. So go for it. Until next time, you're Sebastian. And you can write in whether you got new things for the season start again, like the polishing machine set or other items. I'm curious. Until next time, thank you for watching. Bye.